Create and hustle, yeah.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna do it for good this time. Go ahead and talk to there and stuff.
Yo, what up, what up? Create and hustle. Create and hustle. Create and hustle,
Y'all, it's FloSoNaste coming to you real quick with a quick video. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how I made this beat for the Create and Hustle podcast. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'm gonna link it down in the description below. Check this out. So you can already hear I have the melody playing. That melody is just, I got it from a little melody pack, and you can see it was originally called Jumpin' Jack, but I changed it to Space Synth because that's what it sounds like to me. It's just a really ambient vibe. So the next thing I put in was just a clap, putting a clap in just to make sure I knew when the beat was on and off and how I could follow through with it. So here's the clap sounds like added on to that. Simple enough. And the next thing we had to add was 808. So I felt like since I had the synth playing right there, I could figure out the chords and just figure out what note I had to be on for 808. So 808 was really simple. I put that right on top. And this is where I got the flow for the beat going. So, in a lot of beats, you can make it to where the 808 or the kick kind of coexist with each other, or they're more of independent things. In this beat, I wanted to make it simple, so I just put them to coexist with each other. So the 808 kind of drives the beat, but the kick gives it that push. And obviously, one of my favorite parts of the beats, I always gotta get, you gotta get saucy with the hi-hats. So the hi-hats in this beat, they're not the simplest hi-hats, but they're also not very complicated. All I did was implement them and add them in at the beat instead of rolling across. Start rolling them. And then my influence on this snare really came from Metro. A lot of you guys know Metro likes to do that double tap with the snare. He likes to just keep it kind of popping. So I kind of implemented that with this. So as far as like the percussion goes, the only other thing I added at the very end was just this crash, and that just happens every 8 bars in the beat. But then I really started to think, so I got the drums done. It sounds good, but I needed more of a texture to it. We need to add more of a vibe in the background. So the very first thing I did was I added this piano, and it's called a nylon synth piano. But what it does is it's just like a step. So every, so often the beat you hear it, you kind of like tiptoe follow it. This is what it sounds like. Simple. But on top of that, I added a bell. You guys know it's easy to fill in, man. You gotta put a chant in there. Alright. And then I still, even at this point, I don't know if it's just me, but I still felt like it was a little bit empty. So I really needed something to just completely fill that gap. And in a lot of songs, a lot of videos I've seen, people like using string instruments, and I think that would have fit perfectly here. So I decided to use some cellos and just fill it in the background. So that gives it a full texture, is what it sounds like. And very last thing, I had that man, them Juicy J chants. We got the yeah hoes in the background. It really gives it that pop, man, I swear. See, like that's a statement right there. This is the beat, man. So it is, just like I said, I want to make a quick video for y'all. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Check out my channel. I'm gonna link Create and Hustle down below. Make sure y'all check that out. This is the beat for that. Until next time, peace.